Right, welcome back. So, why being funny should make high converting content. I'm Richard Dawson, I'm a digital marketing coach. This is my weekly digital marketing update. So recently we've covered the first 2 of 5 factors to make your content high converting. That's being relatable and also being specific. This one will cover the third one, which is using humour or being funny. Tricky one really, because humour is very powerful. It's really good for relatability as well, but you've got to use it carefully and sparingly. So remember that we've all got different senses of humour. So it's well worth, before you publish some humorous content, running it past a few colleagues, trusted contacts, to see what they think of it before you publish. Keep your target audience in mind, of course. That's the key thing. And also be careful in terms of your brand. If you're quite a serious business, humour might not be appropriate for your type of content, but generally it's very powerful. I'll cover the other 2 types of content of the 5 in the next couple of updates. I've been a trusted digital marketing advisor now for 22 years, and I help businesses advise and coach ambitious businesses to hit their targets using the very best digital marketing techniques. If you want some help with your digital marketing, get in touch with me in the usual ways on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn, or via my website. It's really going to help me if you would like, comment, share and subscribe wherever you see this video. I really appreciate you watching all the way through to the end, and I'll see you next time.